behalf of the Philippines and the Filipino people, I extend warm greetings to all ASEAN citizens on the occasion of the 58th founding anniversary of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations. We take pride in the Philippines' role more than 5 decades ago when we laid the foundation for a region anchored on peace, cooperation, shared progress, and prosperity. Guided by the purpose and principles of ASEAN enshrined in its charter, we have stood together in navigating evolving regional and global challenges over the years. Through solidarity and dialogue, we have also fostered mutually beneficial partnerships, and we have advanced initiatives that uplift the lives of peoples and communities. This year, under Malaysia's chairship, ASEAN is steered by the themes of inclusivity and sustainability. This reflects not only the enduring aspirations of our region, but also the shared responsibilities that we must embrace in today's dynamic and complex global environment. As the Philippines assumes the ASEAN chairship in 2026, we will build on ASEAN's achievements in responding to the region's evolving priorities and facing emerging challenges. We will uphold ASEAN principles and continue the region's legacy of lasting peace and shared progress as we navigate our future together.
From August 8, 1967, 58 years na po tayo ngayon sa ating tahanan o pamilya ng 10 bayan ng Association of Southeast Asian Nations. And ito pong ating paglalakbay, yung ating journey for 58 years, ay tunay po na maraming changes na nangyari, not just sa atin na pamahalaan in terms of their friendly relations between and among the leaders and the other ministries, but also in our lives. Bakit ko po nasabi yon? Sapagkat halimbawa po sa ating political security, now we really have enjoy regional peace and stability because of that Treaty of Amity and Cooperation in Southeast Asia that binds us together. Dahil meron po itong mga prinsipyo about mutual trust, about good neighborliness among countries. And then, yung pang mas diretso pong impact sa ating mga kabuhayan is, of course, we are given access to grow together as an economic community involving the 650 million citizens of ASEAN. Yung pong mga businessmen natin, nakakapagbenta na po sila sa merkado ng mga ibang bansa, sa ibang bansa dito po sa ating region sa ASEAN. And of course, the third one is involving the youth, the students, where they can go and travel in the different countries in ASEAN as well. So much learning and gives us more empathy and sensitivity to understand where we belong in the region. In the latest vision that was adopted at the latest summit in Malaysia, kasi po Malaysia po ngayon ang chair ng ASEAN, at ito po ay dinaluhan din ng ating mahal na Pangulo, ay they're looking at resilient, innovative, dynamic, and people-centered ASEAN. Yung pong pagiging people-centered, iyan po ay tunay na mahalaga sa ating mga Pilipino. Bakit ko po nasabi yan? Sapagkat ito pong ASEAN community noon po, nung itinaguyod natin yan, 2 pong haligi noon. We call it the political and economic. Ang Pilipinas po ang nagdagdag ng pangatlong haligi na tinatawag na social cultural o socio-cultural. Ang ibig pong sabihin nito ay yung pong mga hinaing o yung mga interest ng mga marginalized or special groups natin ay idinulog po natin yan sa ASEAN. At ito po halimbawa ay ang ating mga elderly, ang mga youth, ang women, and children, at iba pong sektor katulad po ng mga magsasaka, ng mga fishermen. And so, marami pong mekanismo ngayon in ASEAN, and this is really what we meant by people-centered. It is actually looking after the well-being of the citizens of ASEAN. Sa araw po na ito, August 8, 2025, tignan po natin at pag-aralan natin, let's try to understand anong klaseng journey na po ang ginawa natin from 1967 and to understand the place of the Philippines in this scheme of finding or navigating our path towards a better future. So, happy ASEAN Day po sa inyong lahat at sana po pag pumunta kayo sa mga SM, sa mga mall ngayon, tingnan nyo po, makikita nyo po doon na yung merkado ng ASEAN sa mga different business establishments natin today. Thank you.